Greetings everybody who are watching the video. In this video, we will learn about speech writing. This is according to 12th class. I will discuss here marking scheme as well as format with example. But it's not that this speech is only for class 12. This will be for class for 5th, 6th, 7th up to 12th class. And if the class can use this one because speech writing format will remain same, only marking scheme will different. So let's come and discuss about the speech writing here. What is speech writing? A speech is a formal talk that a person delivers to his audience. Means to say, what is speech? Speech is a formal talk. Means formally we talk to someone that a person delivers to his audience. Means एक person अपनी फॉर्मल टॉक अपने फॉर्मल व्यूज को ऑडियंस के सामने डिलीवर करता है. इट मस्ट हैव द कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड द अटेंशन ऑफ द ऑडियंस. और ये एक कैपेसिटी होनी चाहिए स्पीकर की कि वो सबकी अटेंशन को होल्ड कर सके. अ प्रॉपर चॉइस ऑफ वर्ड्स, एक प्रॉपर वर्ड्स को चूज करे स्पीक करने के. गुड एक्सप्रेशंस एंड एग्जांपल्स. Begin the draft with addressing the audience. Means you always start writing speech with addressing the audience, and conclusion should be with the sentence thanking the audience. Means to say, in the beginning, first of all, what is speech? Speech means this is the formal talk which a person deliver to his audience, and there should be capacity in the speaker, in the speech deliverer, that he will hold the attention of everybody with the help of selection of words, expressions and examples. And in the beginning of the writing speech, he has to write first of all expression of addressing. Means you will address somebody before saying good morning, and then give regard to someone else, and at the end you will end it with the thanking you. What will be the marking scheme according to class 12? According to class 12, it will be according to class 12th and 11th, it will be of according to 10 marks, and in format 1 mark, content 4 marks, expression 2.5, and accuracy, grammatically and coherence will be of 2.5. Means to say, in format like yours, beginning and ending will be considered in the format, and for this one you will be awarded with 1 mark. Next will be content. Content means whatever the question is asked to you, you have to write according to that. Means that should be according to the question. In that you will get 4 marks. After that, expressions means how you will express there, how will be your selection of the words, your accuracy, grammatical mistakes and coherence, that will be checked in 2.5 marks. Like this it will be of 10 marks. Now the question is given there. You are Aman or Anita, a student of DPS school. Like this, the address will be given there. That who are you? What's your name? You are from which school? Okay, and who are going to deliver the speech there? Write a speech in 150 to 200 words. It can be in 200 to 250 words also. Words to be delivered in the assembly of your school. Means first of all, you are a student. Your name is either Aman or Ankita or Anita, whatever of a school, DPS school, that is already given there. And word limitation also given to you. So deliver it for the assembly. For the assembly. And what's the topic here? Nowadays, just about everyone. Just about everyone owns a cell phone. Means हर किसी के पास cell phone है. But most of the users do not follow even the basic rules of cell phone conduct. Means cell phone को conduct करना कैसे? They don't know the rules of the cell phone, using of the cell phone there. It means they don't know actually the functions of a cell phone. They are speaking loudly, taking a phone call in the middle of the meeting or even at a funnel, etc. Means they don't know how to take a call when they are in the meeting or when they are in the at the funnel. Funnel means कि जब किसी की death हो जाती है उस time पे, means we are not looking good if we are attending the phone or if we are picking the phone at the time of funeral. So this is not good. So what kind of functions we have to use here? There are so many functions about which you have to deliver a speech there. So very first was the format of speech writing. In the beginning, you can begin the speech with quotation. If you want, you can use this quotation in the beginning, otherwise in the middle or at the end. Means quotation you can use anywhere, in the beginning, in the middle or at the end of the speech also, no issue. So you will write anything, whatever you want to write in the quotation like this there. After that, like take 1 line gap, then you have to say good morning or greetings to moralistic chairperson. Moralistic means again respected or honorable. Moralistic, MORL, moral, is tick. Moralistic chairperson. Chairperson means in chairperson, male and female both will include, right? Chairman will be just only male, but chairperson will include both male and female. So what you have to write: greetings to moralistic chairperson, trustworthy principal sir. Industrious means very hard working. Industrious means very hard working teachers. And my affectionate. Affectionate means very loving. Acquaintances means friends. Acquaintances means friends. So what is this? My dear friends, or you can write my affectionate acquaintances. After that, you have to write who are you. I, Aman, a student of DPS school. The address whatever is given to you, Delhi. Feel delighted to deliver my views on the topic. And what the topic is given to you, you have to write it in quotation. You can underline also same subject there, right? After that, this is the introductory paragraph. And after that, you have to take one line gap, then again begin your second para. Like it is necessary, whatever you want to give the detail of your speech, you will write that in like this in the second para. What you want to say there to the person, how to deliver, its use is how to use that. So you have to speak like this, means give the detail of your topic. This is coherence. Here you have to show your coherence, your content, whatever they're asking you in the question. And next will be the third para. In third para means after second para, you have to take one line gap. Then you have to write a conclusion of this one. Means here you can give suggestions there, or you have to conclude your speech, whatever you were saying there. Like be a responsible cell phone user, be aware of your surroundings before making the receiving a call. Means they are just suggesting you there. They will suggest you something there about that. Then one line gap. After that, thank you, and you can write have a glorious day, otherwise marvelous day, or you can write have a fabulous day or fantastic day. So anyone you can use here, like this vocabulary I have used, so that it will be very helpful to you to score exactly 10 marks there. So this was your speech writing. How to write this one means here you have to use vocabulary as well as you have to use your good expressions there, but you have to use quotation also to show your speech in the fantastic way, right? If you want to score full 10 marks. And if you want to watch rest of the videos, then you should subscribe the channel and go to the playlist, and you can watch the desirous videos there. Thanks a lot for watching the video.